Mason's back in from Oregon, so he's gonna be helping out today. Greg got all the ditches dug yesterday. This is the shortest one, I think, and then this one, it's gonna Y in to that one. It goes up to the top of the field, and then we have one more down by the clump of trees, a shorter run. All right, I'm putting in 4-inch field tile, roughly 2 feet deep. It's perforated, as you can see. This white stuff's way better than the black stuff. It's a lot stronger. Here's a perforated cap that pushes in the end to keep mud, like dirt and stuff, from going in and filling it up. Just gonna put it at the top, start back. I'm gonna have Mason start pushing dirt on top of it. And then after we get this all laid and dirt pushed over it, eventually I'm gonna bring a disc over here and I'll just disc it so it's smooth. The other one's over there, short run. All right, we're putting the pipe. It's got a green line to prevent, so you can tell you're not twisted. The green line I'm keeping up all the way down. Mason's got it stretched all the way down. It looks like this 250 run's gonna be perfect to our other ditch. All right, pipes laid, green stripes up. I'm gonna have Mason here start pushing dirt in with the blade, teach him how to do that. So he can be pushing here, or I can start laying some more. So this run pretty much will be done through the field. Got Mason backfilling some drain tile. First time. He's operated the Mini before. This is his first time really pushing dirt. First day back in PA, full day. She's flowing water like a champ. It rained a little bit yesterday. The field's dry. I could plant if I had more time and wasn't trying to do this first, or had more help. But Greg dug all this yesterday. He got these 2 runs. Mason's up there. He's backfilling, pushing the dirt in. He's doing a good job. Then I'll come over and run the disc up and down it a couple times. I took it up a little bit farther into a low spot, turned it a little bit. Otherwise that would have been exactly 250 feet. We're a little short. That's all right. We'll just place a piece in, and then we have another run over there that I need to measure out. But yeah, like, we're a little deep right here. It's running water like crazy. There's water coming out right now. Like, it really dried the field out. It's working. There's water running. This one here, there's like a spring between me and Mason. It always lays wet right there. So it's running water. And then I don't know what this pipe is here. It's not marked or anything. It's a 6-inch PVC solid. If it was perforated, it would help with drainage here. So yeah, we're running it down into this low swamp area, and I'm gonna have it come out on top of the ground, put some rocks around it to protect it. And I got to fill this in some. It's a bit too deep. It's kind of just holding water like a pond now. But start bringing it up to grade at the end. But the rest of it's excellent. So I'll tie this in with a Y. I have enough pipe to do these 2 runs. I'll have to probably get another 150 or 250 foot section to do that one over there. I gotta use my measuring wheel. This right here is the real muddy area. It's always a chore to disc and everything. It'll dry out nice now. Just doing the wet areas. I mean, the whole field could use some tile, but Mason's doing a real good job. He'll have that pushed in nice for me, so when I run the disc over it, you won't even be able to tell. Mason and Jude finished putting the tile pipe in for me on the far trench. I got the disc. I swapped out the planter for the disc, and I'm gonna disc where we put the pipe in, get it nice and smoothed over. And I still have to finish where it comes out of the ground, but I got the field done so I can get it planted today and be done with that. So that's, I'm discing these areas real. Just discing down the trench where the pipe's at, getting it smoothed out, and he did an okay job, but it's real muddy down here. Let's see what we can do. And here's the next one that we're discing. It's more out of the field than in the field, but we're taking care of a wet spot. Boys did a good job. I wasn't even over here.
That is fresh as morning dew.